Hello guys! You know what happened? I'm so sad because I just broke my favorite sunglasses. Look at this. Oh. So today we are going to review the Moroccanoil. It's kind of like hands-on review. It's a hands-on review. The thing is, I woke up and I saw my hair, and I decided today it's a great day for me to try on camera the Moroccanoil, so people will see if actually it works or not. I must say that most of the results of the Moroccanoil is not gonna be instantly, at least not with my hair, but it can help a lot. So let's see in real time what's that about, if that's gonna make my hair. Oh, I put a bit too much, right? And I would just try to see. Let's do like this, and let's do session, but let's apply it section by section, right? And starting from the ends, let's see if that is how I like which ones, right? And just starting from the ends. Oh, the smell is just amazing. So starting from the ends, now I put on the top of the hair and going towards, oh look at the difference, starting to see the difference, right? I'm starting to see the difference. And let's see here. Yeah, I'm starting to see the difference. See? And it was a bit, you saw it was a bit too dry. It was a bit, and I'm gonna put here the end so you can see. Just I must say it is an instantaneous miracle, I guess, because now let me flip it here. And to tell you, if I put my hair up and keep it up for a while, and when I put it down, it's gonna be even more silky. So that's the review. And what I can say about this is that it works and it's nice. So, and now stay tuned to the other video, because the other video, it's going to be about the shining spray, something like that, from the Moroccanoil. Let me find it here. Oh, there you go. Next video is gonna be about the finish. It's on the sequence.